How to reactivate Facebook page. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you deactivated your Facebook page and don't know how to reactivate it? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on your device. Make sure you are logged into the primary account where you created the Facebook page you want to reactivate. Once you are on your primary account, tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top right corner. Tap on the settings icon. Scroll down until you see the Audience and Visibility section. In this section, you will see an option labeled Pages. Tap on it, then tap on the View option next to Reactivate your pages. From here, you can reactivate all your deactivated pages. Additionally, if you have deleted a page and it has not been 30 days yet, you can also reactivate such pages and cancel the deletion. To reactivate your page, simply tap on the option that says Reactivate. As you can see, I am now logged into my page. Everything has been restored including followers, video and like count, and the page is up again. And there you have it, you have successfully reactivated your deactivated Facebook page. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.